What's up, guys? Ever had your car refuse to start at the worst possible moment? A weak battery can ruin your whole day. Today on Budget Buying, we are checking out the best car battery tester that helps you spot problems before they leave you stranded. If you want quick and accurate battery checks at home, this might be exactly what you need. Let's get started. Up next is the Foxwell BT301 Car Battery Tester, a compact but powerful tool built to make battery diagnostics simple and clear. Foxwell designed the BT301 for everyday drivers as well as professionals, so you do not need to be a mechanic to understand what is going on with your battery. One of the first things you will notice is the vibrant digital screen. The display is bright, sharp, and easy to read, even in less than perfect lighting. When you run a test, the results show up clearly on the screen, so there is no guessing. You can quickly see the condition of your battery without trying to decode complicated numbers. The interface is very intuitive, the menu is simple to navigate, and the buttons are straightforward. Even if this is your first time using a battery tester, the Foxwell BT301 walks you through the process step by step. That makes testing feel less intimidating and much more practical for regular use. Now let's talk about compatibility, because this is where the Foxwell BT301 really shines. It supports batteries rated from 100 to 2000 cca, which covers a wide range of vehicles. Whether you drive a small car, a sport utility vehicle, a truck, or even use tractors and boats, this tester is ready for the job. It works with both 6-volt and 12-volt batteries, giving you flexibility across different types of vehicles and equipment. The Foxwell BT301 also supports multiple battery types. You can use it with AGM, GEL, EFB, and standard flooded batteries. That means you are not limited to just one style of battery. No matter what your vehicle uses, chances are this tester can handle it. Accuracy is another big advantage. The Foxwell BT301 delivers results with up to 99.9% accuracy. That level of precision gives you confidence in the readings. Instead of guessing whether your battery is weak or healthy, you get reliable data that helps you make the right decision. And it does more than just tell you if the battery is good or bad. The tester checks the state of health and the state of charge, so you understand both the overall condition and the current charge level. It also measures cranking voltage, which shows how your battery performs when starting the engine. On top of that, it tests alternator output, helping you see if your charging system is working properly. This complete diagnostic picture helps you catch issues early and avoid unexpected breakdowns. Another practical feature is the 6.5-foot cable. This gives you enough length to test the battery while it is still installed in the vehicle. You do not have to remove the battery just to check it. That saves time and effort, especially in tight engine bays. You can also test batteries outside the vehicle with equal ease. In terms of design, the Foxwell BT301 is compact and easy to store. It fits nicely in your glove box or toolbox, so it is always ready when you need it. The build feels solid and durable, made to handle regular use in a garage or driveway. Overall, the Foxwell BT301 car battery tester offers clear results, wide compatibility, impressive accuracy, and user-friendly operation. It is a smart investment for anyone who wants to maintain vehicle reliability and avoid surprise battery failures. Do not wait for your car to leave you stuck. Check the price link in the description and see if the Foxwell BT301 is right for you. And make sure to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more smart tools and helpful finds. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.